is Kay and I'm a real estate agent, and today I am in Irvine in a neighborhood called Cadence Park, and we'll be touring this beautiful new construction home. It's Lennar home, residence 3, and we have 3 stories and a 2-car garage, and the house has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and it's a little bit over 3,500 square feet. And this is a model home. You have a little front porch, and this is the entrance. So this is your living area, outdoor area, kitchen, dining room. I will show you all the details. And you also have a first floor bedroom over here, so let's start with that. And here to the right is a powder room, and to the left is the first floor bedroom. You have a large window, it's very bright, it's quite spacious. To the right you have a separate toilet, and a quite large walk-in closet. And here is your bathroom with dual sinks, window, and a shower with 2 shower heads. It's a very nice floor. It's a tile. Lots of windows, so it's definitely really nice and bright. And let's go check out the main living area. So this is staged as a dining room, and this is your outdoor area. You can open all of these windows and have like this nice indoor-outdoor living area because you have a roof outside as well. So you can keep it open to expand the space. And this is your indoor living room. Again, lots of windows. Check out this ceiling. I really love this. Imagine this being open, so you can just walk through all of this. Let's see if I can open all these windows. Nope, it's locked. Okay, so this is the kitchen, and it's a beautiful kitchen. Check this out. You have a range, beautiful backsplash, and monogram stove with 6 burners. I really love this backsplash. The tile is really nice and textured with a little gray color. Here's your dishwasher. You have a farmer's sink. And here is a pantry. It's a really nice area to store stuff. This is the garage. Unfortunately, it's locked, so I cannot open it, but that will be the entrance, so it's really easy. If you're unloading the groceries, you can just bring it in and put it straight to the pantry, or just load it to the kitchen. It's very functional. So this is the microwave. It's really beautiful. And here's the oven. and refrigerator. Very spacious. You have also a water dispenser and ice maker. That's the freezer. More cabinets. And that's the island. You have an outlet in here. And you have a storage, which I really love. And you have a little overhang so you can put bar stools. You can easily fit 4. And I really wish I could open this to show you guys, but unfortunately I think it's locked. But this would be really, really amazing in their outdoor living area over here. So let's look what's on the outside. You have a fireplace and a TV. You have a little roof with the lights. It's a very nice space. Let's look on the side of the house here. I believe those are pots for plants. So that's the first floor. And checking one more time, I cannot open it, unfortunately. I really tried. Okay, let's go upstairs. I like this light by the stairs, as you can see, it's really nice. And I like that you have a hardwood floor on the stairs, not a carpet, but we do have a carpet here on the second floor. Okay, let's start over here. So this will be your laundry room. It's quite spacious, and there is a sink, lots of cabinets, lots of storage. You have washer and dryer. And here's your bedroom. You have a walk-in closet. And here's the bathroom. I love the tile on the floor. And you have a shower and a bathtub. Here's another bedroom. It's pretty much almost the same size, I think. And you have a bathroom. Pretty much the same bathroom with a shower and a tub. And that's the bedroom. And here's the walk-in closet. Now this is the master suite. And to the right we have a closet. And lights are automatic as you walk in. So this is the closet, and here you have a little storage, the linen closet, just really nice to have. And this is the master bathroom. Here's the first sink to the left, and another one is here to the right. You have a tub and a large shower. Look at this tub. You have a window. Look at this view. So beautiful. And here is the shower. It's really large. You have a shower head, 2 shower heads, place to sit or put stuff on, and it's behind the glass. Here's another sink. Just look at this sink. I like the design. Everything is really of top quality, the countertops and cabinets. It's really nice quality of the materials. So that was the bathroom, and now this is the bedroom. And here is actually another closet, also with automatic lights. So you have so-called his and her closet, similar size. And that's the bedroom with lots of windows, so it's really nice and bright. I love that you have a hardwood floor in this room. It's a quite spacious area. So here are your 2 closets. And now let's go and check out the upstairs area. That's the 3rd floor. And I love these lights. And I love that you do have hardwood floor on the stairs, because the stairs, if you have a carpet, it gets dirty extremely quick. So it's even if it's not a standard thing, it's worth to get this upgraded. So here is the bathroom with a window, sink, and here is the bonus area. You have a pool table here, lots of windows. It's a great area to entertain and have a party or have friends over, or just come and relax and maybe do some work. And now this is the another outdoor area. It's quite huge. We also have a gorgeous views, and you have a roof cover over here. Not that it rains here very often, but it's really nice because you have some shade. And look at this beautiful view. So you also get a good idea of how the neighborhood looks like. Beautiful view on the mountain. Just gorgeous, perfect place to come and relax or have people over and entertain. It's a really beautiful and clear day today as well. As you can see, it's quiet neighborhood, not too much traffic in here, at least not right now. And you can also have all these windows open in order to extend this space. So it's pretty nice. So now let's go downstairs. This is the bedroom level, and we're going all the way down. So what did you guys think about this house? Did you like it? Did you like the view? And let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to preview this house or any other houses in San Diego or Orange County, please let me know. And if you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for joining me on this tour.